Okay, so before we get into it, just got these wiring looms on the bench side by side so you can see. So this is the original one, which has obviously got the plugs that go on the steering column, and we've got the ones that go in the fuse box with the auxiliary courtesy one. Now, on this 3.5 one, we do have the same plugs here, but I was looking at them, and the one that goes to the indicator stalk, which is this red one here, is missing one wire, and this one actually has a black wire in it. So there's one wire missing here on this one. Also, like I've showed you guys, you've also got this relay 413, and then you've got the wires that come down to the fuse box. So you've got the standard ones, obviously we've got the extra one here for the MFA, which I'm going to remove in a minute. But this kind of connector here, which this seems to be going straight through it, so it doesn't do anything. The courtesy one, and then we've got an extra white one here. Now, I've kind of traced back with the rest of the loom where this white one goes, and over here I'll show you guys. I found where this white wire goes, which it goes onto this loom here, which I'll plug that white wire in. I'll show you where the rest of this white loom goes. This white loom goes to another relay 96, which goes onto the light loom here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the original light loom, and I'm going to add this one, and it plugs in into the fuse box here. So I'm assuming this 96 relay, I haven't looked it up yet, but it's something to do with this as well, because obviously it connects through that. So I'm going to wire it up exactly as it was in the 3.5, and also I'm just going to take this up. So we're going back to the switch, which is obviously the hazard switch, and here we have the illumination wire, these two earths, which I've had to cut off the original loom, but I'm going to put a connector on here, and then these two other wires, a brown and white one, and a black striped white one with green dots on it, which kind of connects here onto the loom. So that's all one piece. All I need to do really is plug this into the illumination, earth this one, and replace this. So what I'm going to do is just remove the MFA and tie this up with the felt tape.